Good evening guys. So today I'm going to be using different codes. As you saw yesterday on tea time, we did very well. So this code was for lunch and this one is for tea time. So I'm just going to remind you and show you something that UK49 is doing. Actually, we're going to use they used division here, and then here we're going to use division, and so it's only division and subtraction for the T. I'll show you what I mean. This code, because all these numbers are above, most of them are above what? 49. So we're going to divide by 2. Then these ones, we'll get to it. You know, this code, when I was checking it now, I discovered that these people from the UK, they are so clever. They just divided everything to get those 6 numbers, and I'm surprised. Okay, for example, we start with code 678. If you check this code, if you divide by 2, it gives us a 30. If you divide by 2 here, because that's 78, if you divide by 2, it gives us a what? 78 is a 39. Okay, let's do the second one. 32, 38. If I divide by 2 here, this gives me 16. Here, if I divide by 2, 38 divided by 2, that should be, what is it? 38 divided by 2, let's go and check. Just want to be accurate with what I'm doing. So I'm going to say 38 divided by 2, that's 19. Okay, so do you see here? It was 32, 38. So if you divide by 2, it gives us a 16. If you divide by 2, it gives us a 19. Do you see already 619 dropped? Then if you go to the bottom one, 88, 90. This code, if I divide by 2, that gives me 44. Here, if I divide by 2, it gives me 45. Let me check if these numbers did not drop. Let's go and check it. Do you see what I mean? There is 44, there is 45, there is 19, there is 16, there is 30, there is 39. Only number that did not drop from the code was 35. Guys, let me just repeat this. I want you guys to understand this thing. Do you see this code? This code. You just divide. Do it even on your own and see if it's not making sense. If it's not making sense, just notify to me and say, coach, there you made a mistake. You understand? And then the code for tea time, it says 1343. So with this code, because it's an odd number, we cannot divide a 13. Instead, we're going to say times 2. It will give us a 26. Do you see that? Then we're going to take a 14 there and put our 14 or 41 at the bottom. Then 43, I cannot divide 43. Instead, I'll just play it as a 43 or 34, like that. It's different when it's an odd. You cannot divide, but if it's an even, you can divide. For example, if we say 43 times 2, that will give us a 90, an 86, which an 86 is an even number. You can divide by 2, and then it will give you what? Definitely a 43. Then we go to the second code, 3418. This code, as you can see, 34, 41, 18. Because if we divide 18, it will give us a 9, which is also a 9 is there. If we divide 3, that will give us a 17, which also what? 17 is there. Then I'll go to the last one, then I'll extend everything after 23. So this one, if we say like 14 times 2, that will give us a 28. If we divide, it gives us a 7. Do you see that? And then here there's a 23. 23 is an odd number, is an even number. We'll just take it as a 23. So the powerful combo from this code, it says 41, 23. I hope I'm clear, and I hope you guys are catching up, because it is accurate. So I can just create, maybe, let me say from that code 1423. I'll say 41, and then I'll say 22. I'll say 23. Then I'll get what other number is it? 13. And then from this other code, I'll get a 34. I'll get an 18. The top one is a 43, is a 13. So meaning that our codes are sorted now. And then what else did I want to mention? I think and I guess we are at the edge of the video. The 2019 drop 23. So you see now 7 23 41. It's a powerful number. 7 23 41. So if let me say it's a 4 number, we'll say 7 23 22 41. Do you see that? So guys, please keep on subscribing and liking the videos, and also if you're interested in joining my group, you are welcome. I'll leave a link in the first comment of the video. Thank you.